How to insert table on Microsoft Word in your mobile phone. Go to Word application, go to plus sign on the upper right side on your screen, and create blank document. Go to blank document, and blank document, below you can see the arrow up on the right side of this menu below. Tap this, and you can see here the home. Go to home, in home menu, go to insert. In insert, you can see here the table. Tap table, and table, you can see here the row and the columns. So the row is set into 3 and the column is set into 3. So for my example, I set the row into 4 and the column is 3. After that, tap the insert table button below. And now we have successfully create table. So you can insert row and column. So there are more options here. Insert row above, insert row below, insert column left, insert column right. So for my example, I set into insert row below. And you can merge cells by tap the merge cells. And also you can split cells by tap the split cells. And to remove or delete the table on your Microsoft Word, tap the delete on this option and tap delete table to delete the table.